Right, it is time to start looking and feeling like the best version of you. If you're starting to notice a few more wrinkles, your skin is sagging, there's some pigmentation problems you want addressed, and you just don't want to go under the knife to deal with all this, you really need to hear what my next guest has to say. Linda Ann Kahn from Beauty Clinique Aromatherapy and Day Spa is here to talk about the Lumi Lift, along with her beautiful patient Ellen over here. Ladies, thank you so much for coming in. We certainly do appreciate it.
Thank you for having
Linda
me.
Ann, I'm going to start with you. Lumi Lift, Lumi Facial. We hear these terms, but I don't think folks exactly know what we're talking about here. Can you explain it to our viewers?
Lumi Lift and Lumi Facial, it's an advanced technology using light therapy and micronized currents to help with sagging skin and help to tone the skin. It actually works at 3 levels. It works at the epidermis, the outer skin, the dermis, the deeper skin, and then at the level of the muscle to tone and tighten.
You're getting down and deep in order to take care of these problems that folks are dealing with.
And that's what we need to do.
And the good news is I want to show folks at home just how easy this is. We've even set up a Lumi Lift right here in our studio this morning, and we'll take a live look at a Lumi Lift in progress. And you said there's essentially 2 parts of this, the lifting part and the Lumi Facial part of this, right?
Correct. The Lumi Lift has red light, and the red light goes 640 nanometers deep. It was actually created by NASA. They discovered that to help with healing with the astronauts.
So that's the first part we were just seeing right there.
And that's the first part, which tones and tightens and lifts, works on the motor point of the muscle to lift and tighten. And then the second part is the Lumi Facial, where there are actually 4 different lights that all have different effects.
Here's what we're going to do. We are going to check in just a minute, again, with the live Lumi Lift going on right now, and I'll show you how easy the Lumi Facial part is of this. But first, I want to get over to Ellen. I'm going to ask you a question I don't normally ask ladies on TV, but will you share with our viewers your age?
Well, I just turned 60.
You just turned 60, and you're looking fantastic with a big smile on your face, and you recently had the Lumi Lift procedure done, is that right?
Yes.
Tell me about your experience with it. Did it hurt at all?
No.
No pain?
No, you can just lie back and have a little nap.
You almost just sit there and relax while this is all taking place. Okay, so now they're finished with the Lumi Lift and the Lumi Facial. It's all, again, done in one treatment. And when you looked in the mirror after maybe you got your makeup on again, what did you see?
I just saw some extra tightness in my chin level. I had considered doing a mini facelift to fix this, but now I'm very happy to find out that I don't need to do that anymore.
You don't need to, and you're looking gorgeous. Are folks telling you that, your friends and your family?
Yes.
And isn't that so nice to hear?
Yes.
Look in the mirror and say, I recognize that person again. I remember that person again. I want to get over to you, Linda Ann, again, and talk about the special that you guys are offering, because folks out there are thinking, okay, my first question is, how much does this cost? Beauty Clinique Aromatherapy and Day Spa is offering a great deal for you right now. In fact, for our first 20 callers, call the number at the bottom of your screen, and here's what you get. You get the Lumi Lift, Lumi Facial. Again, it's all done in one easy procedure. You heard Ellen say there is virtually no pain for $199, and typically that would go for $325. That's a huge discount.
Right. We're doing a special for your viewers. So it's a fantastic deal. And if you want to be rejuvenated and toned and tightened, and even if you are younger, it's really good as well to prevent sagging and toning. Very important to work on your skin.
And that is really important to point out. Let's get back over to the live demonstration of the Lumi Lift, which is going on right now here in our studio. That just goes to show how easy this is. Linda, and what's happening now?
So there are 4 different lights that shine. That one is a blue light. It's for disinfecting. Then there is a green light that actually helps with pigmentation, because this treatment really helps to even out sunspots and pigmentation. And then there is a yellow light which helps with the lymphatic system and helps to detoxify the system. And then the red light, which is the one that penetrates the deepest, which actually helps with wrinkles and tightening the collagen in the skin.
Talk about results after just one treatment. I mean, you see Ellen here, you look beautiful. What is the typical results for people?
Well, after one treatment, you do see results. The skin usually is toned and tightened. People really notice it mostly over here as well. And then depending on the skin would depend how many treatments. If you do 3 or 4, you really get fantastic results. But after 1 treatment alone, there are results, and it lasts for about a month to 2 months.
Month to 2 months. You're looking at some before and after pictures right there on your screen. And for more information on all of this, if you're thinking, I really need to check this out, but I'm not doing plastic surgery, this is definitely an option for me. We'll put all the information on our website, san-diego6.com. Click on San Diego Living. Again, that special is incredible, folks. First 20 callers for $199. You call Beauty Clinique, Aromatherapy, and Day Spa, you're going to get the Lumi Lift, the entire procedure. Regularly, this goes for $325. Ladies, thank you so much for coming in. We certainly do appreciate it.
Thank
and Linda,
you.
and thank you for keeping San Diego looking so good.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
And thank you for sharing your story as well, Ellen. We do appreciate it.